Hi guys, welcome again to another video. So in this video I will try to explain how to set up your own channel and use Integromat. So as we can see, Integromat is actually, there's a free plan and it's enough for us to do what we want. So we will just sign up and then use it without any cost. So after you sign up, you will log in and then you will end up in the dashboard, as you can see here. And then we would like to create a new scenario. So this is done here, create new scenario. And we want to start with the webhook. So we choose here, webhook, search, and then we would like to choose the custom webhook, this one. Okay. We would like to give it a name, so I will say we will use it link Integromat, save, and then it's going to generate automatically a new link, which is this one. So this link we copy and we use for our Tradingview alert. Okay, so in Tradingview I already set up the algo for I put it in a power of 1, so there's a lot of alerts generated just for the test. So here I choose the algo, I say long alarm, once per bar close, and I paste my webhook here. Okay, make sure this box is checked, and then I give it a name, just say link long. Don't forget guys, for the alert, when you have a long, make sure you select this one, long alarm with stop loss and take profits, AIO, and for short, take this one, short alarm with SL and TPs, AIO. When you choose this alarm, the message format is gonna be usable and you don't have to change anything except the ticker. So when you have created a chart here on perpetuals, perpetuals cannot be interpreted by Cornix. So you have to change the ticker to the USDT one. So that is this, link USDT. So whatever coin you are using, change it to coin USDT, and that's all you have to change in the message alert. And then I create another one for the short. So algo, short alarm, once per bar close, paste the webhook, we call it link short. The chart is on perpetuals, but we want to make a trade on link USDT. So short create. Then if we see the webhook, we can see that this one is actually listening now in real time to see if there's an alert coming in to determine the data structure. So if you already had an alert that was triggered, there will say here successfully determined, but now it's still listening and waiting for an alert. So I will show you what happens when it's successfully triggered. Okay, so we see there was an alert created, and then we see in here in Integromat that it's successfully determined. So in real time it could read the alert, so that means our webhook is working. Okay. So for the next step, we're gonna create a new bot and then a new channel and add our bot into our channel. So we do this with another bot which is called botfather. So if you search that in Telegram, if you haven't used this botfather, then it will just you can start by just typing start, and then you will get the menu. In this menu, we will choose new bot, and then we're gonna give it a name. So we're gonna give it link Integromat bot. And then we're going to give it a username. So let's call it the date of today, just to have a unique name, 0209 link bot. It's invalid. Okay, let's switch to link 0209 underscore bot. Okay, it's done. So our bot can be found in this link and can be activated by pressing start. So this is our bot. And then if we go back, there's also this token that we will need later in Integromat to connect different parts together. So keep this message available. So here I have my bot, which is called link Integromat bot. And now we want to make a channel. We do that here, new channel. We call it link Integromat channel. And we say private, save, and then we go to the channel and we add some administrators. Administrator here, link 0209_bot. Okay, it's found. We add it as admin, save. And then what I usually do is also add the Tradingview.to bot, because with this bot we can easily get our channel ID. Okay, so add, then put the proper permissions, save, and then save this channel. Okay, so as you can see now we have the Tradingview Anywhere, the bot that we just created, and of course myself. So the next step is we create another module, which is the Telegram bot, this one. And we choose the first option and we connect it. Okay, so we make a new connection. We can give it a name. I will give the same naming, Integromat. And this is where we have to put the token. So when we go back to Telegram, we will see in the bot folder, we will see this token here. And this is what we need because it's created along with our bot. So we use that here, continue. And then we also need the chat ID. So the chat ID can be found also in our channel, not in our bot, but in our channel. And we can do that by simply typing backslash and chat ID. Okay, so we copy this with the minus and then we paste it here. And then here in the text we choose a value. This value was created before with the determine of the data structure, and then we can just select it and it will be pasted. Okay, the rest is just left as default. We press OK, we press save, and then we will turn it on here immediately, activate. Okay, so we just had another alert coming in, a buy alert, and then we can see in our channel that here we can see that exact alert with the correct information for Cornix to auto trade on. So when we have set up the channel and we want to auto trade on it, we have to make sure that the channel has at least 10 members. This is a requirement of Cornix, and when your channel has 10 members, you can send your channel link to the Cornix support and they will add auto trade on it. For example, here, this is a channel I have with 10 members, 11 actually, and I actually just added random bots that I found through the search. I didn't make them, I just added them and I don't give them any permission, so they cannot change or do anything. So I have the Tradingview and the Cornix, obviously, then I have a few 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 random ones that I just took from the internet. So this you can do, you can add friends, you can make your own bots, doesn't matter, just need to have at least 10 members. So the last step to activate your channel is actually to type /activate. This is an also requirement from Cornix, and when you do this, it will have a message that it's activated successfully. And actually that's it guys, not more than that, but I will do a small recap. You start by creating a webhook in Integromat. That webhook address you use for your Tradingview alerts. When you have set up this, you go into Telegram to create a bot with bot fodder and then create a channel. In that channel, you add your bot as administrator. You use the token and the chat ID in Integromat to make to listen to the bot here. The token was done here, and the chat ID was done here, and the value is taken from preset. And then those two are connected, and that's it. Then to enable auto trading, you have to have at least 10 members in your channel. So you add some bots or friends or whatever to your channel. Then you send that link to Cornix support. Then when they have added support for auto trading, you do the activate thing here in your channel and it should be set ready to go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.